Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on like so. Then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. On the system, the star button here at the right of the rotary control, click star, and then we go along till we find telephone. Another way, by the way, which is a lot easier. On Navi, we just click telephone on there, so straight to the buttons. It's on connect device there, but if not, you just move the rotary control till you get to connect device, and then press the rotary control in the middle. Search for phones is highlighted, click search for phones, and then click, as if clicking the button 3 times is not enough to convince it that you want to look for a phone. You've got to do that. Anyway, it's looking for phones now. I've just disconnected or deleted this phone from this system, so sometimes it takes a little bit longer for it to work out what the driver is actually trying to accomplish. There you go, it's showing Barry's iPhone there. So I turn the rotary control till I highlight it, click, and with a bit of luck some magic should happen. Here we go. Does passkey 996814 match? Yes it does, so click pair there and click yes. Oh sorry, click yes with a button, it's not a touch screen, and then click allow. That's it connected. And just where, I'm not sure. There you go, MB Bluetooth, so that's it connected.